Hello, this is Rodolfo Gomez, and this is my bounding volume demo for milestone 1. So let's run this program. So here we have the first camera. The frigate's going in and out, up and down. So now if we go into the God view, if the frigate's outside of the frustum in either direction, it'll turn red. Because we're here and here. It'll turn red here. Also when it's out, it'll be red also. Now when it's back in, it'll be green. The two frigates with the spheres, they are on two separate updates. That's kind of forcibly hacked in the game object. So I had a very specific update for frigate A and frigate B. It's not really the best way to do it, but it's what I had to work with. And also the way this calculates it is if the dot product of the frustum normal in either of these directions is greater than the radius of the sphere, then we have it would return false, and this would turn red. So if we go into the code, oh, and this stuff here is just for hard coding the limits of where they can go. So if they reach the limit, then go the opposite direction essentially. They both have separate deltas, delta A, delta B for each ship. So if it's inside the frustum, we just make it green. Else, if it's not inside the frustum, make it red. And do the check in our camera, current camera that we're using. In this case, it'll be A that I created. We get our sphere. Then we get our points of interest along the your bottom left and far top right, essentially on the frustum. And then we get the distance between them. Then we do our walk, and then we do this for every single normal along the frustum. If it's greater than the radius for any of these, this will turn false and it'll be red. These are not, all of these are not fulfilled. They'll just be true by default. So this is basically a very hacked up version of the them updating in two separate ways. So if we go into our update for the game object manager, I also have a separate update for the camera model to make sure it doesn't move. It just uses the this what we have here. Doesn't really do anything, just makes it stay still. That's all it does. And for the we have a same thing for our two frigates that are on the screen. Does the same thing. except just change their directions. Not really that intuitive. It changes just one value. So for the first frigate, just change the Z, and that's it. And I'll draw the sphere from the it's local to this world relatively. Let me set it. It's world matrix. And that's it for this bounding volume demo. Thank you for watching.